I'm going to finish up this very last example. So look at carbon number 1. So there's something on 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So sp1, p2, p3. You would say he's sp3 hybridized. And now to get his bond angle, you have to focus in on just this part of the molecule. So look at this carbon. He has 4 atoms attached to him. So we would say that's tetrahedral. So your bond angle there would be 109.5 degrees. All right, look at carbon 2. Now when you're doing these, you're going to have to focus on just that portion of the molecule. So look at carbon 2. There's something on 1, 2, 3 sides of him. Double bond here, single, single. So sp1, p2. sp2 is his hybridization. This is a trigonal planar portion of the molecule because carbon has 3 atoms attached to him and no lone pairs. So you would say the bond angle is 120 degrees. Carbon number 3. You have a double bond here and a double bond here. There's 2 sides with something on it. So sp. You can write sp1. This is a linear portion of the molecule, so what would your bond angle be? Very good, 180 degrees is correct. Good job. Carbon number 4. Let's look at this carbon. There's something on 3 sides of him. So sp1, p2, sp2 is his hybridization. This is a trigonal planar part of the molecule, so you would say 120 degrees. Carbon number 5, sp1, p2, p3. There's something on all 4 sides, so we'd say sp3 hybridized. Bond angles are 109.5. Why? Tetrahedral. That's right, this is tetrahedral. And our last part of the molecule we want to look at is our oxygen. Now be careful here because there's lone pairs on both sides of the oxygen and the single bonds on both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sides have something on it. Remember, you got to count those lone pairs. So sp1, p2, p3 is sp3 hybridized, and the bond angle would be that of a bent portion of the molecule because look at oxygen. He has something here and something here attached atoms. So he has either linear or bent, or remember y'all, the lone pairs bend those little bonds down. So that's going to be a 105 degree bond angle. All right, so that concludes the example for hybridization.